dahil ho itong pangyayari ngayon ay hindi gawa-gawa ng dalawa na ito. Itong pangyayari na ito ay gawa ng langit. Even before you were born, nasa isip, nasa puso, nasa pag-ibig at pagmamahal ng Diyos, siya ang pumili sa inyo, Kendricks, para kay Marjorie. At Marjorie, nauna ang Diyos na pumili sa inyo para kay Kendricks. It is God from all eternity that this beautiful wedding would come to reality.
Hi, bestie. Monkeys. Love you guys.
Yeah, Jeff. Yeah, Leo.
Apat na taon, 8 buwan. Panahon na tayo'y magkasintahan. Ang bagong kabanata ay ating sisimulan. Mga pagsubok sa ating daanan, magkasabay natin babasagin at lalagpasan. Buhay ay magiging isang malaking kabuluhan, lalo't andyan ka. Dagdagan natin ang lutong margarita. Huwag na natin palagan pa, parating na tayo dyan. Tatandang kasama ka, puputi ang buhok ngunit hindi ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Mapano't man, ngunit hindi ang pasensya ko sa'yo. Pagsuko ay hindi solusyon, ilalaban kita, ilibing man ako ng buhay.
It's been a year since we prepare our wedding. Enjoy our day, my love. Can't wait to see you. I love you so much. Thank you, love. Thank you dito sa relo. Alam mo, pag lagi tayo namamasyal, lagi ko tinitingnan tong brand na to. So, maraming salamat. Love you so much. Yari ka sa akin mamaya.
Hi, Habebe Love. Happy Mansari, 4 years and 8 months. Iyong tagapin itong aking handog na regalo sa iyo, naway magbigay ito ng sayang wagas sa iyo, na sa tuwing makikita ko itong gamit mo ay isang ngiting walang katumbas na may kislap sa mata at pisnging busog ang masilayan mula sa iyo. Yours, Sungit. Thank you, my love.
Kendricks ay almost broken-hearted nung panahon niya. He is bored with life. Pagod na sa buhay. At tapos ito naman, si Marjorie, parang ayaw niyang lalaki, man-hater. No boyfriend, no way. So how could this happen? Impossible for human being, but there is no impossible with God. Plano ko ito. I will find ways and means that we realize na itong pag-ibig na hinahanda ko para sa kanila will come through, will be accomplished, that people will clap because they say yes to the will of God.
Today, December 20, 2023, in the presence of our loved ones, I stand before you, my love, my husband, in this incredible journey. You are my first and last boyfriend, and you are worth the wait. In you, I found my answered prayer. I promise to embrace both the joys and challenges that come to our way. I vow to listen with an open heart, to communicate with honesty, and to be your steadfast companion through all seasons.
Alam mo tayo, lagi akong nag-ano na kaya ko sarili ko. Pero hindi ko din i-deserve. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ko at deserve ko itong binigay mo. All this time, black sheep ako. Pero alam mo naman na natuto ako sa mga kagaguhan ko. So, maraming salamat.
Hi, Ma. I'm very thankful you are my mother. I'm very strong because of you. Kaya ako ganito dahil sometimes we have lapses to each other, but I'm always proud na ikaw yung mother ko and na-inspire ako sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Di mo kami iniwan. So, for that, I love you, Ma. Thank you for being here. Yun lang, okay na ako. Thank you. I love you.
I promise to be here for you when work and life becomes stressful to you. I vow to love you for the rest of my life. With you, I found my peace and I eagerly anticipate the adventures that await us as we create a future filled with love, laughter, and genuine partnership. Happy 44th Mansari, my love. I love you so much.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to, still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. There ain't nothing better. We beat the odds.
Ang dati lang natin na maboteng kwentuhan, ngayon ay magiging realidad na. Ang pangako, ikaw at ako magkasama habang buhay at walang katapusan. Ang iba pang pangako, uulitin ko sa'yo. Tatandang kasama ka, puputi ang buhok, ngunit hindi ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Mapanod man, ngunit hindi ang pasensya ko sa'yo. Pagsuko ay hindi solusyon, ilalaban kita, ilibing man ako ng buhay.
You're still the one I run to.
We are celebrating that beautiful one moment in time. Not because they have said yes to each other, because they have said yes to God, who had all the patience, the love, waiting for them to say yes to what He wants of them.
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.